not able to find me. Just let me check. I think so. Preeti is here, guys. Yeah. So, guys, Preeti will going to join in next few minutes. Hey, hi, Preeti. Finally.
Yeah, I'm so glad to be here.
Yeah, same here. Yeah, same here. Just one second. Yeah. So, how's Preeti? Everything going on? All good?
Oh, very good. Today's been a very exciting day. It's Mother's Day, and tomorrow it's my mother's birthday also. And
Oh,
we're
wow.
planning to do a party. So it's
Great.
been very entertaining.
Super. And also, guys, you have upcoming birthday also on Thursday, right?
Thursday, yes, Thursday is my father's birthday.
Wow, so great. Like, the difference of only 2 or 3 days between uncle and auntie's birthday.
It's on Monday, dad's on Thursday. Lots
Great.
of parties happening in my house.
Yes. So definitely, wish you a great luck for that. And definitely, I'm sure it will be a great, great blast during the party.
Sure, it was.
So, guys, I believe everyone knows Preeti. She's a fantastic, phenomenal, multi-talented anchor. She performed in a lot of live shows. I have a big list in front of me. So, the list is very big. But in short, if I tell you, she performed in, Filmfare. She hosted in Filmfare and a lot of other, renowned shows. And also, she acted in few of the serials as well as in the movie. So it's really honor, Preeti, for all of us to have you with us.
I'm so sorry. I'm just trying
Yes.
to.
Yeah.
I've always been very fascinated. Can you hear
Uh-huh.
me?
I can hear you.
I've always been very fascinated with these filters on Instagram
Yeah.
Live, and I've never tried them. Can we try some of them before we start the?
We can try, but I never tried it honestly because कुछ करने जाते कुछ और ही हो जाता है वो तो
Try them.
sorry
Let's try. Okay, so I'm going to start this live by giving you a challenge.
Okay.
You take a filter, I'll take a filter. Let the audience को किसका filter अच्छा लगता है.
ठीक है पहले है कि फिल्टर मिलना चाहिए कौन सा है तो ओके this is something is one you look at this one guys you can this is also good Preeti how's look
I'm trying out. Wait, I'm going to still find a very nice one.
wow
Okay.
I'm feeling like I'm talking from heaven yes I never tried this filter before
Same here. I mean, I've been hosting so many Instagram live sessions, and I never tried these filters. But the task is that audience has to decide किसका filter better है, कुणाल का कि मेरा.
Guys,
you
तुम मेरे
write
दोस्त लोग हो ना? My God, look at this one.
Now you are definitely winning with this one. I love it.
Yeah.
How do you do that? Yeah, I love that TV.
This is also a good one, see?
Now you are totally winning. This is not fair.
Yeah, this is also good.
Seriously, yeah, you got all the nice ones.
Yeah. तो मैं जीत गया finally.
No, the audience hasn't yet said.
Guys, you need to guess कि किसका filter अच्छा है, मेरा कि प्रीति का?
You have to decide.
Guys, आप लोग मेरे सब दोस्त हो.
Audience हमारी judge है. Oh, I found the TV. Finally, I got the TV.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
आज का समाचार.
ये तो मेरे टी-शर्ट के साथ मैचिंग है ग्लासेस देख लो. Okay.
This was fun.
You wanna try more filter?
No, I'm done. I think I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. Fuck is this?
There are so many filters. I never tried it before. देखा भी नहीं कभी यार इतना. Okay.
I can't
मैं normal आ गया.
Net worth in 5
Net worth in
years.
5 years. So that's the question I'm going to ask you, Preeti, now. What would you do today?
Okay, fine. So I'm done with this. बहुत time pass हो गया. Let's
Mm-hmm.
some questions.
So
and
guys,
answers.
hopefully we both are audible to all of you. Please let us know if you put me voice challenge here.
I mean, Kunal, you can be a little louder.
Okay, you can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you, but if you are a little louder ना तो मुझे easily सुनाई देगा. मुझे थोड़ा focus करना पड़ रहा है.
अच्छा, तो मैं थोड़ा जोर से बोलूं, right?
Yes. Please.
Okay. So, chalo, guys, everyone knows about Preeti. Like I already gave a full liner intro of Preeti. So, Preeti, you want to add more into it?
I think जितने भी मेरे followers हैं यहाँ पर, they all know what work I do. I'm an actress. I'm an anchor. I host live events like the red carpet for Filmfare and many more awards. That's me.
Correct.
You tell people about yourself. Why don't you introduce yourself?
Me? Preeti, you're saying me or the audience?
Yes. Can't tell us about yourself.
See, guys, those people who knows me, okay, so by profession, I'm a software engineer, okay. I got almost 10 years of experience into IT, still working as a consultant for a big French company, okay. So I did my, engineering of 4 years and I passed out, and then I started my journey in Hyderabad. So 2 years I was in Hyderabad, then 3 years I was in Pune, 6 months I was in Gurgaon, Delhi, and Bangalore, including that. And from past 6-7 years, I'm in Bombay. So also on weekends.
I didn't know that.
Sorry?
I didn't know you're in Bombay.
Yeah. Oh, thanks.
A lot of my friends are here. Swapna is here. Aditya
Great.
has been watching most of my live sessions.
Great. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us.
Aditya is saying I am Aditya from Channel B. Really, Aditya? Are you from Channel B? कौन सा show आप host करते हो? Anyways.
So, Aditya, you can put कौन सा show आप host करते हो in the comment section. So that's it about me. So anchoring I started as a fun, but ठीक है, चल गई गाड़ी तो चलने दो. So both the things are going good. Job and anchoring. Trying to manage both the worlds together. Let's see.
You know, I just put the fan off. उसकी आवाज की वजह से I think I can't hear you properly.
Yeah, you can do that. So guys, if you want me to ask any questions to Preeti, please put those questions in the comment section. Okay, so Preeti, it's better?
Much better.
Okay, perfect. So Preeti, let's start quickly. Like, how are you spending your time in lockdown? What you doing in day to day?
I start today with yoga. And I start my day whenever I wake up, even if it is 12. अगर मैं 12 बजे भी उठ रही हूँ, so first I start with yoga and pranayam. That's been my practice. I think मैंने पूरे लॉकडाउन में सिर्फ 1 या 2 दिन मिस किया होगा मेरा.
Wow.
I am enjoying watching TV like never before. ना मैंने Netflix देखा है. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. And then मेरे शाम को live sessions होते हैं. I've been interviewing a lot of singers. I interviewed a doctor also. Hey, Vikalp is here. Vikalp Mehta is a very good friend of mine. Kunal, I think you should interview Vikalp also. He's
Yes,
a
yes.
TikTok star. In fact, Vikalp, क्या आप ये देख रहे हो? Just put in a comment now.
Yeah, I just saw Vikalp.
Yeah, I saw him.
He just text something. I think he's just joined us. Yeah. So yeah, that's amazing. I mean, we saw your live session with the doctor Rashmi, right? Rashmi was the name of the doctor. It was really very informative and a lot of things. Thanks that you asked a lot of my questions to Rashmi. You know.
I did, yeah. You know the most
Yes,
fun
yes.
thing जब हमारी ऑडियंस क्वेश्चंस पूछती है and we get to interact with audience. Like today also जितने भी लोग हमारे साथ हैं, if we have audience asking questions, that's gonna be more fun.
करेक्ट. सो गाइज, अगर आप कुछ भी रश्मि से प्रीति से पूछना चाहते हो तो प्रीति से आप पूछ सकते हो. कमेंट सेक्शन में आप अपने जो भी आपको पूछना है वो मेंशन कर सकते हो. I'll try my best to ask those questions in front of Preeti. Okay, Preeti. Okay, now you tell me before, like, I believe you have almost 10 years of experience of anchoring and more than that, right? 10 साल से.
I'm looking forward to the games you have planned and not much of revealing my age.
No. No. Just want to know, like, ये एंकरिंग का कीड़ा कैसे काटा? कि पहले से ही था?
I was in college and I was very social. I had lots of friends in college. Like I was in nationals in Bandra, and I made friends with my seniors also. I was in 11th and senior 2-3 साल बड़े लोग भी थे. Senior college में थे. I was in junior college. They also became my friends, and one of them was working in an event agency. Bandra में एक
Okay.
agency, Candid. So then
Okay.
I got my first event from one of my friends, Sumit Sakrani. He got me into this business. And my first event was a canter show, like a road show. AJ is here, my
Okay.
friend AJ. Hi AJ. Kunal, you should get AJ also on board. He's a very good singer.
Sure, definitely. So, guys, I personally connect with you. Let's plan some live session to entertain everyone. Yeah, sorry, Preeti.
Yeah. So
Continue.
what I was saying was that I started doing. AJ, I'm very good. Yeah, how are you? So I was telling my story. I'm so sorry. I'm getting distracted. Yeah,
No
so
problem.
I was like 15 or 16 years old, and I did my first event ever, which was a road show for a TV serial. एक लड़की
Okay.
अनजानी का TV
Wow.
serial था. So we had okay, audience questions will take in a while. So we had
Yes.
the cast of that show. They would come and हमारी जो audience होती थी उनसे meet and greet होता था, and I was announcing on that canter for the very first time. I was doing something. It was like larger than life. I was like, wow, man, ये करने के मुझे पैसे मिल रहे हैं. I love it.
Correct.
So then
Correct.
doing that, from that I went on to doing birthday parties, corporate shows. मैंने एक ना बर्थडे पार्टी होस्ट की थी ताज, टाउन
Okay.
में है ताज. एंड वो एक बच्चे की बर्थडे पार्टी थी, एंड मैं और मेरे साथ एक और एंकर था, एंकर अभिषेक मजीठिया,
Okay.
वेरी सीनियर एंकर. सो हम दोनों को बुलाया था वहां पर ताज में बच्चे की बर्थडे पार्टी होस्ट करने के लिए. वी वर वेरी वेल पेड. आई वाज लाइक वाओ, दिस इज अमेजिंग.
Amazing, yeah. True. And like, if for our enjoyment, people are getting paid for that, so nothing like that.
डेफिनेटली यार. आई वाज लाइक बच्चे की बर्थडे पार्टी ताज में तुम कर रहे हो ऑर्गेनाइज, और दो एंकर बुलाकर उनको 10-15 हजार रुपए दे रहे हो. आई वाज लाइक आई थिंक 17-18 at that time.
हाँ, so they
This is amazing.
Correct. So, Preeti, that was really wonderful to know your journey, So this is how it give you a kickstart, to your career. And I believe now you are a great name when we talk about the corporate shows, wedding, and that's amazing thing. So Preeti, let's jump directly to a game part. Okay. So game name is 5-second challenge. Okay. बहुत simple game है. Okay. बहुत सिंपल गेम है. आप इस 5 सेकंड में कोई सवाल नहीं पूछोगे मुझसे, ठीक है?
Okay.
जैसे हमारे पास टाइमर नहीं है, ठीक है, तो हम माइल डू काउंटिंग ऑन फिंगर्स, ठीक है? 5 सेकंड होगा. आपको जो भी दिमाग में पहले आएगा 5 सेकंड में 3 चीजें ही पूछूंगा रिलेटेड टू दैट. नॉट रैपिड फायर में आपको मैं टाइम दूंगा थोड़ा सा, बट इसमें टाइम कुछ भी नहीं होगा. मैक्सिमम इज 5 सेकंड, ठीक है? चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस. Let's go for it. Okay. Tell me 3 name of an actor or actress whose name start with P.
प्रियंका चोपड़ा, परिणीति चोपड़ा, प्रीति जिंटा.
Great. Same answer I have written here. Great. But दो ही आंसर हुए 5 सेकंड.
क्या है? वो ही हुए. Oh, your 5 second is going faster.
Okay, चलो अब हम थोड़ा स्लो करता हूँ मैं, ठीक है? Tell me 3 nickname or a pet name that generally people calls you.
Oh, me, my friends call me Katto. My brother, sister call me P. And people call me PK also. My mummy calls me Bubbly and Bubbles.
Wow, so nice. 5 names you said, right? That's good. So 5 सेकंड में कवर हो गए थे. Quickly now. Okay, tell me 3 things that you tell yourself when you see yourself in the mirror.
Oh, I always tell myself that I am the best and I am the prettiest and that I am getting better every day.
Wow, great affirmation to tell yourself, you know.
I am getting better every day. मैं पता है बहुत सालों से कर रही हूँ. ये मैंने एक मोटिवेशनल प्रोग्राम में सीखा था. To tell yourself I'm getting better every day in every way.
And this is the best affirmation. Even I see a lot of motivational videos and I know a lot of motivational speaker. So they say कि खुद को better हो रहे हो ऐसा बताओ तो subconscious mind, you know, start working accordingly. So yes, I know you are the best and doing better day by day. Okay, tell me 3 things that you cannot do in dark.
I can't do makeup in dark. I can't eat in dark, and I can't. I can't read in dark. Obviously.
Great. So 5 सेकंड में दो हुए आपके, 2 कवर हुए, ठीक है? But that's
Last, yeah. Slow down.
okay. थोड़ा मैं स्लो करता हूँ उसको, ठीक है? Quickly, next one. Okay, tell me 3 of your favorite anchor.
Karan Johar, Shah Rukh Khan, and Manish Paul.
Yeah, that's true. Even they are amazing. I love Shah Rukh Khan top of that. If you want to rank Shah Rukh, Karan or Manish Paul, I will rank.
Obviously, yeah, Shah Rukh is number 1, Karan is second, Manish is third.
Manish sir, Shah Rukh is amazing. I love his presence of mind और जो you know उनका जो बात करने का तरीका है ना, क्लास एकदम. तो
Yeah,
that's why he's called as big star and superstar and King Khan of Bollywood. Okay, next one. अच्छा, 3 things which you cannot resist.
Oh,
Quickly.
I cannot resist meetha, chocolates, ice cream, cake. I love cake. I just
Cakes,
love cake.
yeah. Great. You're doing great, Preeti. That's going wonderful, huh? You got a 5 second. Most of the answer up there. That's great. Okay, this is need to be super fast. Okay, tell me 3 words that you tell when you are super angry.
MCBC, fuck off.
That's great. Super. So that's super fast. Okay. Yeah, that's super fast. Great. Okay. Okay. Tell me 3 things, okay, that you tell yourself as well as a friend who is sitting next to you, okay, if you see someone who is very attractive.
मैं
Come on.
जीजू देखो तुम्हारा जीजू. 3 चीजें
जीजू. तीन चीजें बोलना. चलो 1 स्टार्ट.
3 बतानी है.
हाँ.
ओके, ऐसे वो देखो मुझे देख रहा है.
अच्छा, आपने इज हॉट. ओके, सो हम लोग लड़के जनरली यही बात करते कि देख तेरी होने वाली भाभी बाजू में देख खड़ी है करके. तो सेम थिंग यू सेज, राइट? कुछ डिफरेंट नहीं होता.
I'm with my best friend and हम लोग तो ऐसे मस्ती करते हैं. Then she will say something like, she will say something opposite. Even if that guy will be looking at me, still she'll say नहीं वो तो मुझे
देख रहा.
Not serious.
Great. Okay, next move on with that. Okay, okay. This is funny. Okay, so 3 songs that you generally sing while taking a shower. Quickly. Quickly.
Taki Zumba. Then I sing oh Saki re Saki. Then what else do I sing? जो भी मन में आता है यार.
Third song is pending.
नहीं गाती.
Sorry?
मैं 2 ही गाती हूँ.
अच्छा, दो ही गाते हो, चलो। ओके, नाउ फॉर दिस यू कैन टेक 10 सेकेंड। ओके, ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, इसके लिए आप 10 सेकेंड ले सकते हो, ठीक है। कभी आप पार्टी करने गए, ठीक है, पार्टी में आप लेट हो गए हो, ठीक है, घर पे आने के बाद में ऐसे 3 डिफरेंट एक्सक्यूजेस आप फैमिली मेंबर्स को क्या देते हो दैट जस्टिफाई कि आप लेट हुए तो क्यों हुए? कम ऑन, योर टाइम स्टार्ट्स नाउ।
Traffic and I was meeting some business contacts. इसके लिए I had to stay back and last would have been बहुत मजा आ रहा था.
That's good. फर्स्ट तो हम लोग ये करते हैं कि ट्रैफिक था या फिर वी गॉट सम बिजनेस प्रपोजल जहाँ पे उनको रिक्वायरमेंट थी एंड वी आर डिस्कसिंग. Yeah, that's good one. So that was 5 second challenge, and I believe you gave most of the answer. So big round of applause for Preeti. Whoa! Because मेरे पास, sorry.
थोड़ा पानी
Yeah.
पी लूंगी.
हाँ, पी लो. बिकॉज अपने पास में बहुत गेम्स है और बहुत से क्वेश्चंस है. ओके, सो
You know, Kunal, I really appreciate this. Most of the anchors who are doing this kind of an interview, they tend to ask so many boring questions जो audience enjoy नहीं कर पाती है. These
Correct,
games जो
correct.
audience, what do you have to say यार? मजा आता है ना games वो थोड़े सवाल भी
वही तो, इसीलिए देख, व्हेन वी हैड अ वर्ड यस्टरडे, राइट, मैंने क्या बोला, अपन नॉर्मल बात नहीं करेंगे, अपन थोड़ा गेम मस्ती करेंगे. करेक्ट. सो बेस्ड ऑन दैट, so based on that I create this complete framework of question answer including games. Okay, now suppose, now let's ask you a simple questions. Okay, if I give you alternate career option, okay, not an anchor, not an actor, so what you will choose?
I would be a fashion designer or an event manager or I would be in advertising because I've studied advertising.
Oh, okay, that's amazing one. Okay, thank you. So one of my friends सूरज join. मेरा भाई कुणाल जब भी करवाता है बहुत मजा आता है. Thank you so much सूरज भाई. Thanks for joining. Okay, quickly now next one. Preeti, tell me one weird habit that you feel you have.
Not too many. Yeah, I don't have too many.
Tell me one. I just need one. You take your time. You take your time. No problem.
My weird habit is that मैंने जब भी lunch घर पे खाई होती है, lunch के immediately बाद I start eating chocolates, biscuits. And then if my mom says एक और रोटी चाहिए, I will say no for the roti, but I'll say नहीं, मेरा पेट भर गया है, but I will go and eat the biscuit and the chocolate. And especially these days I'm moved on to Milano.
What is that?
Milano.
Milano. Okay. Also, a lot of people have a habit of eating sweet after the dinner or lunch. You know.
Junk food, not just sweet. Kachra.
Okay.
We call it kachra.
Okay, that's good. Okay, if you want to change one thing from you, ठीक है, तो कौन सी चीज एक चेंज करना चाहोगे आप अपने में?
I would want to start eating healthy. I would want to start waking up early, and I would want to stop being lazy.
Stop being lazy. Everyone is lazy. So generally, at what time you sleep? Because nowadays sleeping patterns all change. Like generally, when I sleep by 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock early in the morning.
Night?
Sorry?
You sleep at 4 in the night?
Yeah, 4, sometimes 5. So, what about you?
I try to sleep by 12, 31, 2.
Max 1.
No, 2 max I have slept, but in this lockdown, there have been times I've stayed up all night also.
True.
Where 7-8 बजे I've been awake, and then when my parents wake up, I go to sleep. They are like, यार हम लोग कैसे सोने जा रही हैं?
करेक्ट. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट गेम हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं. इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ ट्रिविया और मस्ती गेम है, ठीक है. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट मेरी प्यारी ऑडियंस से कि प्लीज आंसर आप बिल्कुल मत करना, ठीक है. लेट प्रीति आंसर ऑल दिस क्वेश्चन.
You have to help me, yeah. If I don't
Yes.
get it in 5 seconds, then you have to help me.
Okay. So guys, I request you can wait for few seconds or max 1 minute, okay? Because timer is there in front of me, okay? So आप 1 मिनट रुकना. अगर प्रीति आंसर नहीं देती है, देन आप कमेंट सेक्शन में डाल सकते हो, ठीक है. सो प्रीति, Preeti, the radar is on you. Okay, now imagine, okay, imagine आप एक रूम में गए हो, ठीक है, रूम पे चारपाई है, वो चारपाई के ऊपर दो कैट्स, दो कैट
What is charpai? What is charpai?
बेड है, ठीक है. If you enter in a room, okay, if you enter in a room, there is a bed, okay, on top of that bed, okay, there are two cats, okay,
Okay.
four dogs, okay, one lion is there, okay, and two parrots are flying somewhere in the air, ठीक है. I'll repeat once again, ठीक है. आप एंटर किए, बेड पे दो कैट्स है, ठीक है, चार डॉग है, ठीक है, एक लायन है, ठीक है, और दो पैरट्स हवा में उड़ रहे हैं. सो माय क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ मेनी लेग्स आर देयर ऑन द फ्लोर?
Only
योर टाइम स्टार्ट नाउ. हाँ,
just मेरे दो ही पैर हैं.
दो ही पैर है, पक्का लॉक कर दिया जाए?
Yeah.
लॉक कर दिया जाए?
Yeah,
ओके, सो लेट मी आस्क द ऑडियंस. सो प्रीति सेज कि दो ही लेग्स होंगे. सो ऑडियंस, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, कितने होंगे लेग्स? अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इट्स डिफरेंट. ओके, लेट्स सी कि कितने होते हैं. ऑडियंस, यू कैन आंसर. दो नहीं है. सोचो सोचो प्रीति, क्या हो सकता है? सोचो सोचो. 100% राइट,
पैर हैं.
करेक्ट.
Yeah, you mean to say that all the animals will run from the bed?
नो नो, दे आर ऑन द टॉप. बेड पे ही है वो बेड पे ही है. ओके, सो आई थिंक लेट मी गिव यू द आंसर. प्रीति, यू वांट टू थिंक मोर?
Please tell me.
सोचो सोचो, आई विल गिव यू 10 सेकंड मोर.
Okay, repeat the question.
अल्लाह अल्लाह. प्रीति ने 100% राइट है. प्रीति ने बोला ना.
भाग जाऊंगी ना, 0.
अच्छा, सॉरी,
लाइन के मैं भाग जाऊंगी ना.
नहीं भागोगे, लाइन बंधा हुआ है, ठीक है. अभी द करेक्ट आंसर इज 6. बताओ कैसे अभी?
How?
टेल मी हाउ. बट करेक्ट आंसर इज 6. दो पाव आपके और जो चार पाई थी, ठीक है, उसके भी तो लेग्स होते हैं, तो चार उसके.
यार, पीछे.
बट दैट इज व्हाट.
Charpai and not bed. Smart question, yeah. Smart way of asking the question.
करेक्ट. सो मैंने इसलिए चारपाई बोला, ठीक है, कि आपको इजी हो गेस करने के लिए. ओके, नाउ सेकंड.
क्या सुना?
Yes.
Very good.
Yeah, so okay, second one. Okay, again request to the people who are watching us, please answer मत देना, तो मजा खत्म हो जाएगा. And I think Preeti, if you know this thing, बहुत funny है, थोड़ा सा illogical है, ठीक है, but fun है.
Illogically
ऐसी-
होगा.
ठीक है, ऐसी कौन सी जगह है, ठीक है, जहां हम इंग्लिश में जाते हैं और हिंदी में वापस आते हैं? थिंक, सोचो. ऐसी कौन सी जगह है जहां हम इंग्लिश में जाते हैं और हिंदी में वापस आते हैं? टेल मी द प्लेस वेयर व्हेन यू गो इन इंग्लिश, एंड व्हेन यू कम बैक, यू कम विद हिंदी. लाइक बताओ, जल्दी बताओ, क्विकली. बहुत सिंपल है. आई एम श्योर आप गए होंगे वहां पे बहुत बार शो करने के लिए. आप, वन ऑफ द फेवरेट प्लेस होती है यंगस्टर्स की. सोचो, जहां हम.
गोवा.
हाँ,
गोवा.
यस, करेक्ट. गो इज इंग्लिश.
Goa.
इज हिंदी.
Oh my God, man! I am smart. I like that. Anchor Suraj is saying, "Can I help her?" I got it. Goa.
Yes, thank you so much, Suraj, for holding your horses not to answer. But Preeti, that's the right answer.
Yay! Man, very smart, yaar. Kunal, you found these very interesting trivias. I like it.
करेक्ट. ये अपना इब्राहिम भाई बोल रहे कि टॉयलेट.
Why toilet, Ibrahim? Why the toilet? Anyways, Kunal, tell me something. You've interviewed a lot of other anchors also. Have you? You have
Yeah, anchors. I think for you are my first anchor, and I've interviewed singers, motivational speaker, beauty, like fashion designer, makeup artist, yoga artist. So
then you ask these to anybody else?
yesterday I started with this thing. Okay, I also interviewed this Miss Cute Face yesterday, which I told you, right?
To anybody?
No, 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 no.
अरे यार, मुझे देखकर
Okay.
कॉपी करने का मौका भी नहीं मिला.
हाँ, तो अभी अभी कॉपी नहीं कर सकते जितने लोग देख रहे हैं हम लोगों को. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन.
Jyoti Lalwani is here.
ए हाय ज्योति. करेक्ट. ओके, सो ये बहुत मस्त है. ठीक है, ये एक पहेली काइंड ऑफ है. ठीक है, ध्यान से सुनना. ठीक है, गोल गोल हूँ नरम नरम हूँ. ठीक है, गोल गोल हूँ नरम नरम हूँ, आधा फल आधा फूल. ठीक है, जिसने मुझको खाकर देखा कभी ना पाया मुझको भूल.
गोल गोल and नरम नरम, आधा
Correct. फूल
आधा
आधा फल. ओके, जिसने मुझको खाकर देखा कभी ना पाया मुझको भूल. व्हाट डू थिंक?
फल. Okay, it's a fruit and आधा plant है.
सोचो सोचो. हाँ,
गोल गोल है और
सी गोल गोल है, नरम नरम है. ठीक है, नरम नरम है. ठीक है, आधा है फल आधा है फूल. ठीक है, जिसने मुझको खाकर देखा कभी ना पाया मुझको भूल. इट्स अ ट्रिकी वन, बट I'll tell you. क्या क्या?
Ibrahim is saying grapes, but grapes is not cool. It is
Preeti, quickly. सोचो सोचो क्या. Guys, I request you, please don't answer anything.
cool.
Don't answer. Let Preeti try.
That is not fun actually. Let me see my.
सोचो.
मेरे पास
Guys,
कोई
request
ऐसा
you,
फल-
please. No.
They are saying
Daria, guys, a small request, please don't answer. Let Preeti try. देखते हैं.
please now okay, audience is in my team. We are together. You can help guys. Help them.
Okay, so you have 10 seconds left. After 10 seconds, you can give me the answer.
No clue यार. गोल गोल.
Okay, it's a sweet. Okay, I'll tell you the hint. Okay, sweet है. ठीक है, हर शादी में मिलता है. ठीक है, और I believe हर किसी का फेवरेट भी होता है.
Mango.
मैंगो नो. अच्छा, कलर इसका देखो तो लिटिल बिट ब्राउन काइंड ऑफ होता है. आई डोंट ना. ओके, 5
हर्ष.
4 3
यार. शादी में होता है ये fruit. हर शादी
आपने भी
में
बहुत-
नारियल
आपने भी बहुत बार खाया होगा.
नारियल नारियल नारियल.
नहीं. सोचो. अच्छा, एक और हिंट देता हूँ.
पूरा फ्रूट प्लेटर आ गया, पर ऐसा कोई नहीं है जो लीफी फ्रूट है.
अच्छा, इसके नाम में फूल भी है और फल भी है. बताओ अभी. गुलाब जामुन.
गुलाब. Hey, Vyoma is here. Vyoma, hi.
Yay.
Gulag-
Hi, Vyoma.
Vyoma is a very
Yes.
dear friend.
Next week.
And
Next week, me and Vyoma will be live at the same time. Okay.
talk to
So-
Vyoma already.
Sorry?
Have you already spoken to Vyoma?
Yeah. Already talked with Vyoma today only. So Preeti, the correct answer is gulab jamun. गोल हूँ, नरम हूँ, आधा फल आधा फूल. गुलाब एंड जामुन.
Why is it food then gulab and jamun में फूल कहाँ से आया?
जामुन इज ऑल्सो अ फ्रूट. Correct.
Oh
ठीक है?
God, this is.
आधा हूँ फल.
Renu is here. Hi, Renu. Renu को
Hey, hi,
पूछो ये
Renu.
question. नहीं पता होगा.
Renu is joined now. I think I don't know. Renu know the answer. I think Renu already heard this answer.
She heard it. It's crazy, man.
Okay.
मुझे पता है
So
नींद अगर you would have not answered this ना, मुझे रात भर मेरे दिमाग में घूम रहा था.
Okay, so Preeti, मेरा एक्चुअली क्या था ना, मैं ये इसका आंसर देने नहीं वाला था. I was just thinking कि let you think entire night and you can give me the answer by tomorrow.
Okay. And that would have been torture.
Okay, so Preeti, let's get back to the next one. Okay, अभी ये स्पेशली एक लाइन जो है या टंग ट्विस्टर बोलेंगे. ठीक है,
Okay.
वो मैंने स्पेशली आपके लिए बनाई है. ठीक है.
I'm good at it.
Yes, so based on your name. Okay, so So you want, you can repeat with me. Okay. Preeti. बोलो.
No, what is it? Preeti.
हाँ, प्रीति. ठीक है.
Preeti.
Place.
Okay. Preeti place.
Preeti pastime.
Place what?
देखो, प्रीति प्लेस, प्रीति pastime.
Preeti pastime.
या ठीक है.
बार बोल.
प्रीति, अब 5 बार बोलना है बस. प्रीति, देखो रिपीट बस. ठीक है. प्रीति
क्या
Place.
बोल रही कुछ भी.
प्रीति pastime.
Kunal has made up such amazing trivia and such amazing questions. यार इससे
Thank you
बहुत
so much.
मेहनत लाइव वीडियो के लिए.
Yes. चलो let's try this tongue twister. Okay.
Because I told Kunal over phone that nobody wants to listen to ज्ञान. है ना
Correct.
यार, आज अब ज्ञान बांटो, सबको फन चाहिए. You might say pretty place, pretty pastime. Pretty place, pretty pastime. Pretty place, pretty pastime. Pretty place, pretty pastime. Pretty
Wow.
place, pretty pastime.
Finally.
I love you. Read करके बोला.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, most of the life is the best, man. Life is so
Yes. व्योमा अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम है ना, मैं इतना टफ टंग ट्विस्टर बनाऊंगा, देखना हम नेक्स्ट टाइम कि व्योमा को टाइप ही नहीं कर पाएगा. ठीक है, I'll customize the tongue twister for व्योमा, different one, or power girl. Okay. Okay. So let's
so many
Okay.
wonderful people have joined us.
honestly guys, thank you so much for joining us यार. I mean only because of you यार मेरा नाम ही टफ है. व्योमा मैं और टफ बनाऊंगा उसको.
Vyoma Vada Pav, very wonderful. Vyoma Vada Pav is very wonderful.
राइम आना चाहिए. मैं बना दूं. मैं है खुराफाती दिमाग है मेरा, बनाऊंगा मैं. ठीक है. So let's quickly Preeti, let's move on with the next one. Okay. If I'll give you one super power, ठीक है, आप कौन से सुपर पावर चूज करोगे? ठीक है, और क्यों?
Well, ये superpower तो, I mean, it's the easiest. I would choose the superpower to be able to eat whatever I like, all chocolate, cakes and everything, and still be perfect, size 0. No matter how much I eat. And stay young and healthy. Beautiful.
यार
No matter-
I mean, you tell me one thing, size 0, मतलब हम लोग कहाँ जाए यार, इतने तो दुबले हो गए हो आप योगा करके, ठीक है, एक्सरसाइज करके. हम लोग कहाँ जाए यार, वी आर गेनिंग वेट एवरी सिंगल डे. But hopefully we'll follow some steps that you're following right now, or doing yoga and pranayam to lose some weight. Let's see. दिल्ली दूर है लेकिन मेरे लिए अभी. Okay.
That's why I
So
chose superpower. Huh?
correct. Okay, so Preeti, next one. Okay, next one. If you become invisible, okay, okay, what is the first thing that you will do?
To become invisible.
Feel free to share with us, okay, Preeti. Feel free to share anything with us.
यार मैं इनविजिबल हो गई तो भी क्या करूंगी यार, अभी लॉकडाउन है, इट्स नॉट सेफ टू गो आउट. इनविजिबल हो गई और बाहर कोरोना मिल गया तो इनविजिबल को कौन हील करेगा, मैं घर में ही बैठूंगी.
नहीं, आप इनविजिबल होके हो सकता है आप अपने बेस्ट कोई सेलिब्रिटी क्रश होगा उसके पास आप जा सकते हो. यू नेवर नो.
Kunal, you have really good ideas. I'm gonna go to Shah Rukh Khan's house or
Yeah,
Imran Khan's house.
correct. So
That I'll go to Ranbir
Correct.
Kapoor's house.
Correct.
Dude, man, I'm totally gonna do this.
yes, वहां से ना चिट्ठी लिखना मेरे को.
Sure, and
Okay.
then we can हमें हवा में पेन मिल रही है.
Correct. So that's good one, Preeti. Yes. So whom you will choose? Shah Rukh, Salman?
Shah Rukh.
Shah Rukh. Even I love it, Shah Rukh. Amazing one. Okay. So let's start with the next game. Okay.
Yeah.
इसमें ठीक है, मैं कुछ विसल पे गाने गाऊंगा बिकॉज मैं बेसुरा हूँ. ठीक है, फटाफट ढोल जो कहते हैं वो हूं मैं, बट मैं सीटी अच्छी मारता हूँ और तब बहुत अच्छी आती है जब सामने खूबसूरत लड़की हो. ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट विसल पे गाने गाऊंगा. ओके, सो वन मोर थिंग, अ रिक्वेस्ट टू द ऑडियंस आउट देयर, गाइस प्लीज आंसर मत. नहीं,
Please, answer.
30 सेकंड तो प्रीति को सोचने दो एटलीस्ट. ठीक है, 30 सेकंड सोचने दो. ठीक है, ओके.
Done. Amrish is here. Hi, Amrish. How are you?
Can I start?
Let's go for it.
Okay, चलो. मजा आ गया. क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
तूने पहली नजर
नजर जो जब नजर से. So great guys. Big applause for Preeti. Come on, next one. Okay.
I'm a rock star.
So Preeti, this is your favorite song, okay? Suraj, no help. Okay. क्या बात है. हो. उसके बाद इन अदाओं.
बिछेड़ो प्यार के अफसाने, कुछ मौसम हो दीवाना, कुछ हो दीवाने.
ग्रेट. तो अभी लास्ट है, ठीक है. अभी मैं क्या करूंगा, इसमें 3 सॉन्ग गाऊंगा विसल पे ही, ठीक है. अल फ्यूजन, और आपको सुनना है तीनों सॉन्ग, उसके पहले गेस नहीं करना है, ठीक है. हार्डली इट विल टेक 30 to 40 सेकेंड तीनों सॉन्ग के लिए, ठीक है. आपको सुनना है और इसी सीक्वेंस में मुझे आंसर बताना है, ठीक है.
So you're gonna whistle 3 songs.
Correct. I'm going to whistle 3 songs, one after the another, okay? And you have to guess it. But before, once I finish, then only need to guess. ठीक है? उसके पहले आप guess नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है? वो बहुत सिंपल है, ठीक है? You sing well, girl. अरे प्रीति तो हमारे लिए अभी गाना गाएगी थोड़ी देर बाद.
गाया यार मैंने.
Yes. Okay. So here we go. Okay. गाइस आंसर मत दो. निधि प्लीज, निधि रिक्वेस्ट यू गाइस, आंसर अभी मत दो. प्रीति को आंसर देने दो यार, मजा नहीं आएगा गेम में. आप लोगों को गाइस, मैं आप लोगों से भी सवाल पूछूंगा तब आप आंसर करना. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. रुको आंसर पूरा सुना. Okay. अभी तीनों सॉन्ग वन आफ्टर द अदर गाना है आपको. या प्रीति तीनों सॉन्ग आपको वन आफ्टर द अनदर गाना है. कम ऑन.
अरे तीनों गा लिया मैंने यार.
पहला कौन सा था?
Nailed it.
पहला कौन सा था? 2 लाइन हो जाए, 2 लाइन जाके बताओ.
प्लीज. ओके यार.
प्रीति यू सिंग वेल यार, कम ऑन. जल्दी फास्ट. आहा.
हंसी रात हो ना हो, फिर से जन्म में
आहा.
बात हो ना हो.
क्या बात है, अमेजिंग. ओके, सेकंड. भूल गई प्रीति, भूल गई.
मस्ताना.
नहीं, that is third one. सेकंड कौन सा था? गाइस डोंट हेल्प her now. सेकंड कौन सा था? सेकंड कौन सा था? प्रीति भूल गई.
जिगर से भी.
No. Second song. No. That is not second song. Second song कौन सा था?
बाबूजी जरा धीरे चलो. Dude, I totally forgot. Tell me.
You forget. Second song भूल गए.
I forgot. I'm sorry.
Okay. So जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए.
हाँ, जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा, हम नवा.
Okay, so guys, now this is for the audience. Last one, okay? बहुत सिंपल है, बहुत सिंपल है, ठीक है?
I know the song.
So guys, can anyone guess this song? प्रीति रुकना अभी. Let audience guess. Audience, let's see सबसे पहले आंसर कौन देता है इस विसल का. Okay, so Yoma, you're there. Shan is there. Suraj is there. Guys, come on. Quick.
She was gone. She was not there. She will never comment करती.
अच्छा, चलो let's प्रीति, you won't believe अपना 45 मिनट निकल गया, पता है? 45-50 मिनट दिखा रहा है मेरे इसमें. Yes.
So much hanging out here with you.
Correct. So Shan gave me the answer. है अपना दिल तो आवारा. That's fantastic. So that's the right answer. Okay. So प्रीति,
आपको कुणाल प्राइज लॉकडाउन के बाद पहुंचा देगा आपकी प्राइज.
पक्का. शान इज चलता फिरता हमारा गूगल मैप है हमारा. तो ओके, सो लेट्स मूव ऑन विद द लास्ट फेज ऑफ दिस गेम. ओके, एंड इट्स अ रैपिड फायर राउंड. ओके, सो आपको थोड़ा सा टाइम है. इट्स नॉट विल बी लाइक 5 सेकंड गेम जिसमें आपके पास टाइम नहीं था. ठीक है, ये रैपिड फायर राउंड होगा जिसमें आपको ज्यादा सोचना नहीं है. ठीक है, आपको क्विकली आंसर देना है. इट नीड टू बी लिटिल बिट फास्ट. ओके, चलो. अगर इमेजिन करिए, ठीक है, आपका स्वयंवर हो रहा है. ठीक है. ठीक है, आपका स्वयंवर हो रहा है. तो आप इन एक्टर्स में से, बॉलीवुड एक्टर्स में से किनको चाहोगे कि आपके स्वयंवर में पार्टिसिपेट करे, और उन एक्टर्स में से आप किसको चूज करोगे और क्यों? क्विकली.
ओके, डन.
चलो, you got the question?
Yeah, got it.
So options you have: Varun Dhawan, Ranveer Singh, Ranbir Kapoor, Sushant Singh Rajput, Kartik Aaryan. So they are competing. Okay, now whom you will choose?
Ranbir Kapoor.
Ranbir Kapoor?
Yes.
Why?
I am very fond of Ranbir.
Okay, perfect. So Ranbir Kapoor हो चुके हैं आपके स्वयंवर के राजकुमार. क्या बात है. Okay, so
all beautiful actresses से मैं बची. Katrina.
Sorry?
He's dated Katrina, Deepika, Alia की मैं बची.
Yes. Now अभी आलिया का हम लोग चाहते हैं कि ब्रेकअप हो जाए और आपके साथ हुकअप हो जाए, right? We'll pray for you.
But that will be final शादी.
Yes. Definitely you became. कैसे बनेंगे? प्रीति खतपाल कपूर. वाह.
PK, I'll still be PK.
हाँ, PK and Preeti Khatpal Kapoor. Now the people are keeping the names, right? Okay, quickly. An idea that changed your life. Quickly. We have only 7 minutes. An idea that changed your life. An idea that changed your life.
Yes. So to be happy and grateful no matter what. Even if something bad happens, still be grateful.
Correct. Great. That is a good one. Okay. So what is your wildest and craziest, okay, fantasy in your life? Come on. Craziest and wildest fantasy that you feel you have.
To be in a rock band.
Oh.
To be a lead in a rock band, Metallica.
Oh, yo, that's great. Okay, who is your first celebrity crush?
First or worst?
First. Number one.
First, so yeah, I'm very small now. Then याद नहीं है.
Correct. कोई याद नहीं है? Okay. अभी तो खैर रणबीर कपूर है.
गोविंदा.
Okay. Okay, now this is interesting one, okay, Preeti? Now tell me one craziest thing any guy have done for you. Quickly, in short.
Crazy and so I was so yeah, guys don't do crazy things for me, yaar.
Arey, lot of guys have done, huh? No one done?
Yeah, so I was in Lonavala with my family and I had an exam the next day. So I was just talking to a friend of mine over phone कि यार मुझे यहाँ नहीं आना चाहिए था. My family said tomorrow I have an exam test. So he came, he drove. I was in college at that point. And he drove all the way to Lonavala, picked me up and just brought me back.
Whoa.
3 drive me और 4 घंटे वापस drive वापस आया. That was like really sweet.
Yeah, but that's amazing one. Seriously, you create a lot of memories, you know, the thing. When you think about some crazy thing, these things come up first. Okay. Sorry?
तभी ओला उबर भी नहीं था ना, ओला करके आ जाओ.
Correct. Okay. Are you single or committed? Quickly.
I am single.
You're single. Okay. What will be your dream date? If you want to go on a date, what will be your dream date?
In a private jet, on a private island. Can I think bigger?
You can plan on Mars.
Private island. Huh?
You can go on Mars and have a great candlelight dinner there.
Moon. Yeah. Moon.
Moon or Mars somewhere. Okay. This is interesting one. Okay. Kill, marry, hook up. Okay. Options is Ranveer Singh. Okay. Ranbir Kapoor or Kartik Aaryan. Whom you marry, whom you will hook up, or who you will kill.
I will.
Quickly. We're left with only 2 minutes.
Which I am getting confused. I will definitely kill the third one, whoever he is. Ranbir and Ranbir may marry. Who's more marriage material?
You take a call. It's your life.
Ranbir Singh is more of a marriage material. Ranbir Kapoor is hookup material.
Okay, that's great. So you'll hook up with Ranbir, you'll kill Kartik Aaryan, and you will marry Ranveer Singh. Correct? Great.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Preeti, so we are left with only 2 minutes now. If I am your genie, okay, imagine I'm your genie and I'm giving you 3 wish. 3 wish. Okay. So beside this pandemic, corona, what are the 3 wish that you're going to ask me? Jaldi.
यार एक तो वही ना जो मैंने सुपर पावर मांगा था, to be able to eat anything and still be thin and look young and beautiful all my life. That would be my first one.
Second?
Second would be to या 3. Second would be मुझे unlimited wishes चाहिए.
अच्छा. It's a loop. Okay. So infinite loop हो जाएगा. Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Third one, quickly.
Third will be to be able to यार कितनी सारी चीजें हैं यार.
जल्दी अपने पास में 90 सेकंड ही बचे हैं.
90 सेकंड बचे हैं. यार मैंने अनलिमिटेड विशेस मांग ली है, अभी लास्ट विश में किसी को गिफ्ट कर दूं.
चलेगा. Okay, last but not least. Okay, Preeti, last but not least, sing any of your favorite songs, just 2 or 3 lines. Come on, quickly.
Please, okay, I sang a lot. Now 2 minutes where we have to say goodbye to people and tell them that be home, be safe.